Unless you've been living under a rock, you know what that is right there. It's the end of the last Supercross round where Jason Anderson and Jett Lawrence got into a little bit of an altercation. Not that bad, but really. And after that, the night of after that, Jett Lawrence posted, quote, "Tonight I let my emotions get the better of me. I let myself down in the heat of the moment. I'll learn from this, and my apologies to El Hombre 21. It was on me. I'll pay your fine. AMA Supercross send me the invoice, and per your request, free passes to the van zone for the season. Sorry, mate." To me, that sounds super childish. The moment I read it, I was like, there's no way he was sitting there tugging your helmet, shaking your head around, and asking for fan zone tickets. Whatever. But as of today, we have a response from Jason Anderson saying, quote, "Okay, first things first, my man Jett comes at me after he passes me and beat me. Barks in my face, I bark back. After the race, you have his dad, Honda guy, come up to him and apologize. You have his agent call saying sorry. He will put a post on Jett's page saying sorry. Employee text me sorry. I didn't take it personal, like a shit happens deal. Like, we are cool and it didn't happen, not a word from Jett himself. Instead, unfollow and silence from the dude everyone is apologizing for." He continued to say, "We live in a day where kids throw a fit and stand behind everyone for the media crew cleanup. Guys don't keep it real or take responsibility for themselves. I take full credit that I'm a dickhead often, but you bet your ass I'll consistently be a dickhead to you if I feel that way about you." And the big part about this said at the bottom, "The King won 72 races and kept it 100 till this day. Jett will be amazing, but he'll never be the King 71 to go." So basically calling him a spoiled little kid and taking shots that he's never going to be as good as, the King himself, which who knows? In the comments below, you guys tell me. One, do you think is Jason Anderson right? I mean, do you think he's ever going to get 72 wins? And on the other side of things, this is not looking good for Jett Lawrence. This is his first season in the 450 class, and you're already making veterans angry. I mean, obviously, Jason Anderson isn't going to be probably his competitor for the next few years, and probably isn't the championship top 1, 2, 3 guy that he used to be. But with people like Anderson, Barsha, Freeze out there, Roxon, Cooper, these are people you don't want to be mad, get angry, because they're not going to race you easy. And it all started from what it looked like is just Jett was mad that Anderson raced him. He didn't pull over. He didn't, you know, pull to the side and say, "Here you go, golden boy, take the lead." And to me, I don't know. It doesn't look very good for Jett. It makes him look like a spoiled little child right now. He went from his, you know, undefeated outdoor season to his, SMX championship, and now his first season in the 450s. It's not going as well as it should. He's not getting the starts. He's not running away and, winning by 20, 30, 40 seconds. He has to race people. And if you're getting bad starts and you've got to go around veterans who know what they're doing, know when to, know how to block pass or how to hold a line and not just move out of the way for you, it's not going to go very well. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. One, do you think, as I do, that Jett's post was a little childish? Saying you give fan season no, he wasn't asking for that. And two, do you agree with Jason Anderson? Do you think Jett will ever even get close to 72, or who knows? But comments below, you guys tell me what your thoughts on the matter are. Who's going to win the next round? Whatever it is, just comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.